Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So, in the investment accounting, what is the accounting treatment in the books of investor? Which accounts is to be prepared in the broker's account? The client's account is to be prepared. That company's account is to be prepared. So, these things we are discussed in detail yesterday. So, today we are going to start the format of investment account, ledger account. So today I am telling you the format. You write down and then we discuss over it accordingly. So give the heading in the books of dash dash company. In the books of dash dash company. Investment account. Next line. Investment account. Into bracket. Bearing fixed interest of security. Bearing fixed interest of security. Bearing, BEARING, bearing fixed rate of security for the year ended, for the year ended dash dash, for the year ended dash dash. Now make the two parts of the page. Write debit and credit. On the left hand side debit, right hand side credit. Now on the debit side, there are 5 columns, and on credit side there are also 5 columns. So first column date, date, then particulars. Now keep the particular column medium column, not that much big. Particulars. Then nominal value rupees. Third column is nominal value rupees. It is also known as face value, fair value. Fourth column, income rupees, income rupees. Cost value rupees, cost value rupees. Now same columns are on the credit side. Date, then particulars, then nominal value rupees, income rupees, and the cost value rupees, cost value rupees. On the debit side, write down in the date column 1, वर्ष काय असेल त्या पद्धतीनं ते घेऊ आपण नंतर प्रॉब्लेम सोल्युशन करताना. आता सध्या फक्त फर्स्ट एकच आकडा टाका 1. टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन, टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन तिन्ही कॉलमला एक्स 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 उली मारा 3 2 2 x, then xx xx. Again for the debit, date is 1 to bank account, into bracket purchase, all the three amounts column xx xx xx. Then on the debit side, date 2, date column right 2, to bank, into bracket purchase, bracket complete. All the three columns xx xx xx. Then on the credit side, date column right number 3, by bank, into bracket sell, all the three columns xx xx xx. And number 4, credit side, date column number 4, write the number 4, by bank, into bracket sale, all the three columns xx xx xx. Then credit side, date column write 5, date column write 5, by profit and loss account, into bracket loss on sale, first two column dash dash, and cost value xx. Then on debit side, write date column number 5, to P&L account, into bracket profit on sale, bracket complete, first two column dash dash, and cost value xx. Then on credit side, date column write 6, and in the particulars by bank account, into bracket interest received, first column dash, income column xx, and cost value dash dash. Then credit side, date column number 7, by balance carried down, into bracket accrued interest, bracket complete, first column dash, income column xx, and third column dash. Then come to the debit side, write date column number 8 to P&L account, into bracket transfer of interest, bracket complete, first column dash, income column XX, and cost volume dash dash. Then on credit side, date column write 9, by balance carried down, into bracket value at the end of month or year, value of end of the year, bracket complete, first two column dash dash, and cost value XX. Then credit side, date column number 10, by P&L account, into bracket loss on valuation, bracket complete, first two column dash dash, and cost value XX. Now make the total of all the columns of amounts, debit as well as credit, and make the two underlines for each column. Make the two underlines for nominal value and income rupees and cost value rupees. Next line, making of working notes. आता ज्या वर्किंग नोट आहेत त्या वर्किंग नोट प्रत्येक ट्रान्झॅक्शनच्या बनवाव्या लागतच असतात, त्याच्याशिवाय आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशन्स मिळत नाहीत, फिगर्स मिळत नाहीत. नंबर 1, परचेस ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, into bracket X interest, X interest, bracket complete, underline, याच्यामध्ये काय काय करायचंय ते पहिल्यांदा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली आहे. नेक्स्ट लाइन, इंटर नॉमिनल वैल्यू, नेक्स्ट इंटर कॉस्ट वैल्यू, नेक्स्ट इंटर accrued interest, accrued means outstanding, inter accrued interest. Next, number 2, purchase of investment. Purchase of investment into bracket cum interest cum cum interest, underline into that inter nominal value ENTER INTER करू नका ENTER inter nominal value. Next, inter accrued interest. Inter accrued interest. And next, enterprise, PRIC, enterprise, less accrued interest. Less accrued interest. Then number 3, sale of investment. Sale of investment into bracket X interest. X interest. Next line, inter nominal value. Then again, next line, inter accrued interest. Inter accrued interest. And next, inter price received. Inter price received. And note number 4, working note number 4, sale of investment into bracket cum interest, into bracket cum cum interest, underline. And next line, inter nominal value, then inter accrued interest, next line, inter price less accrued interest, price less accrued interest. Next, number 5, profit on sale of investment. Profit on sale of investment, underline. Inter profit amount. Inter profit amount. Next, profit is equal to profit is equal to sale price minus weighted average cost. Weighted average cost. Then next line, same working note, loss on sale of investment. Loss on sale of investment. Next line, inter loss on sale. Inter loss on sale. And next line, loss is equal to loss is equal to weighted average cost, weighted average cost minus sales price, sale price minus sale price. Number 6, working note number 6, interest received on investment, interest received on investment, underline, calculate interest received, calculate interest received on the due date, on the due date according to percentage given, according to percentage given for the investment, for the investment. Number 7, interest accrued, interest accrued, underline, calculate the accrued interest, calculate the accrued interest number 8, transfer of interest to P&L account, transfer of interest to P&L account, underline, balance of interest column, balance of interest column is transferred to P&L account, is transferred to P&L account. Number 9, closing value at the end into bracket balance carried down, closing value at the end into bracket balance carried down, underline, value of the securities, value of the securities at cost or market value, at cost or market value, whichever is less, whichever is less. So cost value and market value, whichever is less is to be recorded. And last, number 10, loss on valuation, loss on valuation, underline, any loss on valuation, any loss on valuation into bracket cost less market value, cost less market value, bracket complete. At the end of the year, at the end of the year, next line, loss is equal to, loss is equal to cost minus market value, cost minus market value. So this is regarding the account of investment. So first problem, we can start the problem. आता फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाले जे असतील ते आपण घेणार आहे इक्विटी शेअर किंवा प्रिफरन्स शेअर, बोनस शेअर्स याचं नंतरच्या याच्यामध्ये आपण घेणार आहे. The following transactions of the Prachiti on 1st April 2017, they are given as next line. Miss Prachiti had 1,000, 9% debentures, 1,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each, at rupees 108 into bracket in KK Limited, bracket complete, held as investment. Next line. KK Limited pays interest. On 30th June and 31st December. On 30th June and 31st December every year, full stop. Prachiti had following transactions. During the year. Next line. On 1st June 2017, on 1st June 2017 डॅश देऊन पुढे लिहा. purchased 800, 9% debentures, 9% debentures at rupees 98, at rupees 98 x interest, ex interest. Next line. On 1st December 2017, on 1st December 2017, dash sold 900, 9% debentures, 900, 9% debentures at rupees 105, 105 x interest, x interest. Paragraph. You are required to prepare investments in 9% debentures account, investments in 9% debentures account for the year ending for the year ending 31st March 2018, 31st March 2018 by applying AS 13, AS 13 So here in the problem, Ms. Prachiti has held the 9% debenture security, the opening balance, then purchases, then sales. The information is given, and the KK Limited has pays the interest on two dates, that is 30th June and 31st December, and the year ending is 31st March 2018. So only 1 year's information is given in this problem, and initially I am selected this problem because 2-3 years problem is to be afterwards we can consider. So just we want to know the technique, that how the investment account is to be prepared, how the calculations are made, and what is the accounting standard 13 in relates with the important things are to be considered. So in the next period, we can solve this problem. A small problem, but for every transaction there is a one accounting note, working note, and without the working note we cannot find some amounts. Some amounts are given but some amounts are missing, and that missing amounts are to be calculated with the help of the working note. So nominal value and the cost value, these are given in the problem, but the income value or interest value that is to be calculated by using the accounting working notes. So we can consider it in the next period. And firstly, I have taken the problems on the investment securing the fixed rate of interest, ज्याच्यावर आपल्याला फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मिळतात तशा डिबेंचर असतील, गव्हर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स असतील, NSC सर्टिफिकेट असतील, नॅशनल सेव्हिंग सर्टिफिकेट्स, या अशा पद्धतीच्या फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाल्या पहिल्या सिक्युरिटी आपण घेतोय. नंतर मग आपण पुढे इक्विटी शेअरवर डिव्हिडंड मिळतो, दॅट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड. तर त्या पद्धतीनं आपण थोडंसं फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाल्या सिक्युरिटीवरचे प्रॉब्लेम हे सुरुवातीला आपण घेतोय आणि नंतर मग इक्विटी शेअर असतील, बोनस शेअर्स असतील, त्याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम आपण नंतर घेणार आहोत. सो टुडे वी कॅन स्टॉप हिअर. सगळ्यांनी फॉर्म भरले का? आपले जेवढे आहेत तेवढे फॉर्म भरायची कोणाचे राहिले असतील मित्रांचे तर त्यांना सांगा, पुन्हा फॉर्म भरायला वेळ म्हणजे वाढवून मिळणार नाही.